Step 1 of the pillowcase and cuff. 1, you're going to need a body piece of your pillowcase. This should be 27 inches long and about 44 inches wide. And then a cuff piece that's skinnier. My example here is half size, just to show you what it looks like. Yours will be larger. First part is press it flat, make sure there's no wrinkles. What we're going to do is we're going to lay out the cuff fabric, the skinny piece, right side up on a flat surface. And then we're going to take the main fabric, the longer one, and place it right down, side down on top of the cuff, lining up the edges. And then we'll pin that edge. If your fabric has a right side and a wrong side, you're going to care about this. If not, don't worry about it. If it's solid color, you just go with what it is. So what it says is take your cuff fabric, have the right side up, lay it out there, and then take your body fabric and lay it right side down, touching on top. And then we're going to pin this edge. Reminder that you are the boss and that you need to make them line up and match. The more precise and exact you can be at this, the better. If the edges don't quite line up, don't worry about it. We will make them line up later. So what you should have is one long edge all pinned together the whole way down.